sit stil nu, baby. Nou, I'm gonna make you sit. Guys, this isn't about doing my daughter's hair and putting on their clothes. It's like a routine, a short one. But I thought it was gonna be short, but now I have to flat time both of these. Which the auntie and the uncle didn't, and I asked them so nicely. Woo! Girl! Are you okay? Are you okay? My no. When can we go back? I was gonna use my big flat iron. Okay, that's why I don't want you to sit at the edge, man. Maybe you can sit here, no? And then I can make you sit so. Yeah, next. This. Yo, your foot is warm. They said that I never called it. But bro, every Christmas and sometimes every day, I must go do that. Because I'm going somewhere with their daddy or their auntie or something. Oh, what their grandparents. That's not much right, no? But I must go do it there, man. They can must do that. They can sleep by they must do sleep by their grandma and grandpa and by their daddy and by their auntie them. Yo, but I must go do that. Nah, you guys didn't know how to do it. No. Siya kata niyo ko. Meisie. Pati sy gaan Pa gaan vir jou slaap. Danny. Is jy my skuld? Jy was met jou pa, no? Sy het vir jou